Hi guys, good morning. Hi guys, good morning wherever you are, or good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. I hope you are having a great day so far. It is pretty early right now. I just got up and did my makeup. I'm going to have a productive day today. It's in the books. I know I'm gonna do it, so we're gonna do it. I'm gonna be doing some cleaning probably and a lot of cooking. I am going to be making breakfast or brunch and going to be making ice cream and probably going to make some banana bread. I've been craving brownies, but I think I'm gonna go for the banana bread since we have some bananas that are looking that it needs to be made into something else. It's been a pretty busy week for me, so I'm just really glad that the weekend is here and I finally can get to relax and unwind. I'm excited to show you guys what I'll be doing, and I hope that you are all healthy and safe wherever you are. So I'll be making some breakfast today. I love waking up and just getting some good breakfast in me. Like this video if you also like breakfast. I think I kind of want a bigger breakfast, like with eggs and other stuff. Also, before I forget, I want to make some ice cream today. I have all the ingredients to make ice cream and I have an ice cream maker, so I'll be showing you how I make the ice cream. So breakfast is super yummy. Now I'm back in the kitchen and I'm going to be making the ice cream. I'm super excited about this. I've been craving ice cream for such a long time now. We did have some vanilla ice cream that I also made maybe like a couple weeks ago, but I really want this coffee ice cream. So let's go do it. The ice cream maker. It's the Cuisinart 2-quart ice cream maker. I've had it for like half a year or so. It was given to us as a wedding present, so thank you. I really like this ice cream maker. I'm a huge fan of it and I've made a lot of ice cream. I'll be making coffee ice cream with chocolate shavings. So let's go and get started. Also, that noise right now is the laundry going on. I put in my laundry before. That is the noise. That is not anything to worry about. That is normal. So let's go into the video. So we are first going to wash our hands. I've already washed my hands, so we're good there. So I have my mixing bowl. These are the Martha Stewart mixing bowls. And I have my whipping cream. I have this one that I got at Trader Joe's and this one also, but this is a shelf-stable one, so you don't have to keep it in your fridge. Our coffee, I just put it in a mason jar and put it in the fridge for a little while. I have my sugar here, vanilla, and the chocolate shavings over here. I'm going to start by putting in the sugar and the milk in. I think I'm going to use 1 cup milk with 1 cup sugar and then half a cup of coffee, since the recipe is usually 1.5 cups of milk. So let's go get the milk. Using the half cup, make sure to shake your milk first. Now I'm going to pour in the sugar. To get the coffee now. Now I'm going to pour in the heavy cream and vanilla. So 3 cups of heavy cream. using pure vanilla extract. I don't have much of this left, so pour in some. I want to give that a stir. It smells so good already. I think I'm gonna pour in more coffee to give it more of a coffee taste. This is what it looks like. Ice cream batter looks like. Everything's all blended in together and there's no clumps anywhere. So all the sugars dissolve and it's ready to go into this thing. So I have that ice cream tub in the freezer right now. I think I froze it for quite some time now. It's definitely been over a day. I placed it in the freezer when I knew that I wanted to make ice cream. So I have that in the freezer. I need to take it out and that will be the container to pour in this batter, and that will get the batter really cold and make it more of an ice cream texture. Okay, so now let's go grab the ice cream container that's in the freezer right now. This is what the jar looks like. It's super cold and I put a plastic saran wrap over it so it doesn't get dirty in the freezer. Take it out, plop it in here. Make sure it's not moving. So now I'm gonna put in this stirrer in here and also the lids. So now we can start. It's done now. I forgot about this because I didn't set a timer, but so now it's kind of overflowing. I'm gonna scoop some of this out and put it into my ice cream container and then try to put some of the chocolate shavings into here so I can actually use this in the mix. Ice cream looks so good and it also tastes good. I tasted a little bit of the ice cream and it tastes so good. You can definitely taste the coffee flavor. The chocolate goes really well with the coffee flavor. The coffee flavor isn't that overpowering, which I like, but it also is enough to like feel it's like a coffee ice cream. Does that make sense? Like this video if you like coffee ice cream. This is what it looks like. It looks beautiful. And those are the chocolate specks that you see there. This is what the ice cream looks like. So it looks pretty good. I'm gonna stick this in the freezer now. Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes or so and now let's go get the ice cream. It is looking good. I love the chocolate specks in the coffee ice cream. It looks so good. Look at that. Here is the ice cream. It looks so good. I know I only scooped out like 1 scoop in each bowl, but we don't want to get too full from it because we just had lunch. I didn't scoop that much in each of the bowls, but enough to curb our sweet tooth, so can't wait to have this. Okay, so I'll probably study now for a couple of hours and then I'll make the banana bread a little bit later. I've done a lot of cooking and cleaning right now, so after I was cooking, I cleaned it. Now I'm just really tired. I just want to I guess I just want to study. So now I just want to do something other than cooking and cleaning. If it's studying, then it's studying. It is what it is. Let's go and study. Okay, so now I'm done studying. Let's go make the banana bread. Like this video if you like banana bread, and subscribe down to my channel if you would like to see some more recipes. I think I want some banana bread that has like chocolate chips. Kind of feeling the chocolate vibe right now. So let's go and have that. Honestly, like I can't wait to eat banana bread. I haven't had banana bread in a while, so I am really excited. Okay, enough of me talking. Let's go get started. Here are the bananas. They're looking pretty brown and very sweet. I'm excited to be using them in my baking. Here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have flour and brown sugar. I love these containers, by the way. They're just really easy and compact for storing, and they have a leveler in this one, and they have like a brown sugar like terracotta thing there, so it keeps the brown sugar moist. I really like these. Anyways, the bananas, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, butter, chocolate chips, baking powder, salt, baking soda, cinnamon, and I think we're ready to go. banana bread is done and it is looking so good. I'm gonna take it out and let it sit for a little bit. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you'd like me to try. And I will see you guys in the next video. Hope everyone stays safe. Also, I have a blog. It's called The Smarty Femme. So I'll have it linked down below if you want to check it out. I post a couple times a week and I talk about lifestyle and productivity hacks to enhance your life and become a better you. So if you're interested, I'll have the link down below. I hope you have a great rest of your night and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.